want to go.
What's wrong, Lucy?
Naked.
It's okay. I'm here with you.
Are you ready, girls?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
The family is ready to leave.
It is a beautiful morning.
Everything feels new today. I like this day.
We are all here now.
It's Faye. We can go now.
I feel okay now. This will be fun.
Sit close and be calm.
Our trip is starting.
The road looks long.
Hey.
I see mountains.
Yes, we are close.
I feel calm. This ride is nice. I see a lake.
We are here now.
I feel safe here.
This trip is good. This is the place.
Yeah.
The lights do not work.
There is no electricity here. Is it okay?
We can use candles.
This feels nice.
We are together.
The wind is getting stronger.
It is raining hard. I am scared. I am scared. We are safe together.
That was loud.
The storm is over.
I see the town. This place is interesting.
Lucy is not here with us.
Lucy, where are you?
Where is my family?
What is her name?
Lucy.
I miss Lucy.
I will check this street.
Have you seen a little girl?
I will keep looking. She may be nearby. I found her.
We found Lucy.
Thank you so much.
That is good news.
That is good news.
Me?
Is this your family?
Yes, Buha.
Do not walk alone again. I am sorry.
Today was not easy for us.
Sometimes the hard moments bring us closer.
I like this town. This place feels nice.
We can enjoy today together.
Family time is the best journey.